Hi everyone, my name's Eli. I'm the Academic Technology Librarian here at Oxy. I want to talk about using Google Slides to make a basic presentation. If you haven't used it before, Slides is very much like PowerPoint. It lets you create a slideshow with images and text. You can either share it with your class or share it with your instructor. I'm not going to go over all of the features of Slides, just the basics to get you started. First thing I'd suggest doing is making a folder in your Google Drive and upload all of the pictures that you want to use in your presentation. So you can see here's my folder. I've got some pictures of myself and where I live and where I work. And here's some nice background images I might want to use. Okay, so I'll go ahead and start Slides. It's up here in the waffle menu. I'll pick Slides, and I'm going to go ahead and make a blank presentation. I'm not going to use any templates or any themes, so I'm going to close themes here. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and add my title to this slide, which is going to be called A Little About Me. And I'll click on the subtitle and say, by Eli Chertkov. Okay. So I just want to have a couple of slides in here. To add a new slide with my first picture, I'm going to press Control M. You can have different layouts for your slides. I just want a blank one. So I'm going to go up to Layout, scroll down here, and click on Blank. And now I'm going to add my first picture. I'll go up here to Insert Image, click on that, and here's where you can upload a picture from your computer. You can search the web if you want to. I'm going to click on Drive since I already organized my pictures in a Drive folder. And here are all of my folders. I'm going to find my folder where I've got my pictures, click on it, and here they are. So I will click on my very first picture, double click on that, and there it is. And I want to put it over here. I can use these handles on the sides here to resize it. I can click on this top here and I can rotate it. That looks great. And now I want to add a little caption. I want to add some text. So I'm going to click on the text box here. And I'm going to just say, hi, my name is Eli, and this is what I look like. And if I wanted this to be narrower, I can make the box narrower and it'll reformat. So I'm pretty happy with that. Now let's say I don't like this font. I want to make it bigger. And so I can just click on Increase Font Size. Oh yeah, that's good. And I don't like this particular font here, so I'm going to change it from Arial to, Comic Sans, always a solid choice. And I don't like this just plain background, so I'm going to click on Background, and oh yeah, I want to choose a color. I will choose orange. There. Beautiful. I'm going to add my next slide, and I'll just do the same thing. So here's my next picture. Right here. I'm going to add a text box and say, I live in Los Angeles, and I'm going to add a background, another color. This time I'm going to do a gradient, because why not? That's pretty subtle, but anyway. Now, you can't really read I live in Los Angeles very well. I'm going to make it bigger. I'll change it to Comic Sans as well. And I decided I don't like the color because you can't see it very well against the photo. So I am going to change its color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to these three dots, say More, and I'm going to click on Format options. That gives me another little menu with some dots here. I'll click on that, and here's where I can change the text color. So I'll change that to white. Wait, I have to highlight it. I'll change it to white, and I want to drop shadow because that'll make it stand out a little more. So I'm going to click on drop shadow here. Oh, that looks great. One more slide, so Control M. I'm going to put in my last picture. This is where I work. I'll add a text box. I work at Occidental College. Again, I want to make that. Okay, so now I want to make that bigger. I'll just highlight it. Occidental College. Now that needs to be wider. All right, there we go. I will make that good old Comic Sans, and I'm just gonna rotate this to be obnoxious. There, looks great. So now this first slide here is bugging me. It's too plain. I want to add a picture in the background, so I'll click on background again. I'm going to choose an image this time. From Google Drive, find my folder, and I like outer space here. That looks great. For this one, I think I want to have a different picture in the background, so I'll just click on background, and I'll choose the desert and click on done. Fantastic. So this looks great. I want to see what the presentation itself looks like. I'm going to click up here on Slideshow. I'm going to click on the right here, this little drop-down menu. I'm going to click on Start from Beginning. So it loads it. Here's my first slide. To move to the next one, I can either just click with my cursor or I can press the space bar. That's what I look like. Very nice. I'll click again. I live in Los Angeles, and I work at Occidental College. I want to do one last thing. I'm going to press Escape. I want to add a transitions between my slides. I'm going to click on Transition. That opens up a menu here. Under None, I'm going to try Dissolve. And Apply to all slides, sure. So, and you can see now there's these little icons to the left of each slide saying that a transition has been applied. So let's see. I'm going to click on Slideshow, start from the beginning. And now when I click, oh, there's a nice dissolve. That looks great. Okay, that's it. In the next part, I will talk about adding audio and narration. Thanks for watching.